Today I got a package of Angry Birds Star Wars plushies. So first up we got a Princess Leia bird. There's nothing really special about her. It's just the ordinary Princess Leia plush with no sound chip inside of her. Same with the Stormtrooper pig. No sound chip inside. And here's the tag. And here's a 5-inch Chewbacca. Like I said, nothing really special about him. But I have a 5-inch Chewbacca now, which is cool. Now, these two are actually special because for the Han Solo, he has a washing instruction tag right here. Oh, let me see if the camera will focus. Here we go. And so, here's the new Han Solo plush. Now, next up we have Obi-Wan Kenobi, and I needed this for my collection. And he actually makes sounds. And here's his lightsaber. And these guys are really soft too. So now I have all of these Star Wars plushies.